Been a minute since I updated y'all on this 39. This is the last day I'm gonna work on it. I'm getting a new job. Man, it's 39 Ford sedan. Beautiful. What I've been doing today and yesterday is putting exhaust on it. I was gonna show y'all what I've done. Come off the manifold, go through the frame. Everywhere there's a connection that goes through the frame, I put a mount so it would be solid so it wouldn't rattle and beat the frame. It's got glass packs, 1 3/4 inch pipe, tucked it in nice up close to the body, plenty of mounts, keep it sturdy, and it turned down at the end. True duals, same thing on the other side. Tucked it up close to the body, got mounts every so many inches so it stays away from the frame holes. Got it a little close right there, but it ain't hitting. Got a mount on the oil pan up to the manifold. Take y'all back here in the back. Let you gander at the rear end. Next step, I'm going to put a fuel line on this thing and get this engine running in the car. This is the same engine that I have a short on my channel of getting the engine running on a chain. Now the engine is in the car and painted, and very soon I'm going to have the engine running in the car, today hopefully. Oh man, do it again, Hefe. Looks kind of funky with the jump boxes going, but man, we put some antifreeze in there. She's running.